Ever feel like you could be a great trader if only your strategies didn't backfire half the time? You know, those moments when you're staring at the chart, squinting your eyes and just hoping that something will present itself. Well, if that sounds familiar, then you're watching the right video. Because in this video, I will show you how to fix that problem. If you like this video, then please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. So, how to fix your strategies. This is exactly where the replay function comes in. It's like the time machine that you never know you needed, and no DeLorean required. It lets you go back in time and test your strategies as if it was happening at real time. So instead of live testing your questionable genius with real money, you can do it on past data using the replay function. With the replay function, you can test your strategies on previous market data, sharpening your instincts and decoding the secret language that's hidden in the chart. Think of it as watching the game tape. But instead of sports, this is your financial future, but no pressure. So here's how it works. In Altrady, you have the replay button. Once you click the replay button, you can select the price in the chart. And boom, we're back in time, reliving the market's history. You can fast forward, pause and rewind. It's like controlling your market with a TV remote. You can simulate real-time trading, but with your own pace. When you're analyzing quick spikes or slow movements, you decide when the candle moves next. Want to relive that high Bitcoin spike? Well, go ahead. Want to pretend the dip never happened? Well, who's stopping you? When using the replay function, you can even specify when you want to buy. And when you let the price play out, you can also sell at the moment where you thought you would have sold, as if this was happening live. This means that you get your trade position down like a pro. No more, I should have sold there, or was that the right moment to sell? You'll be making decisions with laser-like precision. And the best part? You're doing this without ever risking any of your own money. No sweaty palms, no heart palpitations, just pure unadulterated practice. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned trader, the replay function is your safe space to test out any type of strategy that you're dreaming of. So what are you waiting for? Stop playing with your money like it's Monopoly cash. Try the replay function and trade like you've seen the future before. Spoiler alert, it's looking pretty good. The replay function is where traders become legends. Or at least you feel like a legend. If you like this feature, then please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Altrady.